Good morning everyone. Welcome to TNR Sainik Academy.
I am Hasina. My qualifications are MSc, MA, B.Ed. I have 7 years experience in competitive examinations.
Good afternoon everyone. Welcome to TNR Sainik Academy. Today's notification about the Indian Navy for the unmarried male candidates for sailor and metric recruit, that is MR. Okay. So we'll see today about this notifications. First see the eligible conditions. So online applications are invited from the unmarried male candidates. 300 vacancies here. Education qualification is matriculation and job specification is chef, steward and hygienist. Okay, age must be, they must born between 1st April 2002 to 31st March 2005. Both dates are inclusive. Next, their pay and allowances. During the initial period, they get stipend of 14,600 rupees per month. Okay, and after successful training, completion of the training, they will get salary about 21,700 to 69,100 rupees, and they will extra payment also for the paid MSP at 5,200 per month as a DA. DA means dearest allowances and transport allowances. TA means transport allowances. Like next, after this promotion, you will get the salary 47,600 to 1,51,100 and MSP at 5,200 per month. Okay. Next, so what is the selection criteria? Selection criteria is, first we have written test and we have physical fitness test. Okay, due to this COVID, only 1500 members, 1500 candidates, eligible candidates they are selecting. From the 1500 candidates, they are allotting the posters to only 300 students. This is totally based on their 10th class merit and the written test paper. You can see the written test paper will be in the bilingual language, that is Hindi and English. It's an objective type, it is a MCQ. And next, the questions paper will comprise of 2 sections, science and mathematics and general knowledge. The standard of the examination will be totally based on 10th level and syllabus also totally based on 10th level. Next, if you want to see this notification and you want to apply for this notification, the website is available, that is www.joinindiannavy.gov.in, and examination duration is only 30 minutes. Okay, on the same day you have this PFT also, physical fitness test. What is 1.6 kilometers run to be completed in 7 minutes and 20 squats, that is uttak baitak, and 10 push-ups. You have to complete this, and based on your merit in 10th standard and your written test and your physical fitness test, then they will be allowed the merit list in the website. Okay. Next, the medical standards, as every notification will see same medical standards, like they must be have minimum 157 centimeters. Okay, and their chest must be expansion 5 centimeters, and also they should complete this is in time. Next, training. The training in the course will be commence in April 22nd with 12 weeks for basic training at where it is INS Chilka, followed by the professional training in the allotted trade in various naval trading establishment. So after selecting, they will give the training. For the training period also they will pay for you, stipend they'll pay for you. Okay, and next, how to apply? The applications are only online, that is also from website www.joinindiannavy.gov.in. Okay, you have to documents you have to first scan and you have to upload in the website. The original what are the documents you needed? The original document of your SSC mark sheets and domicile certificates. What is the domicile certificates? That is a residential certificates that your belongs to this state, that is a proof of your belong to this state. And if you have NCC certificate, just you that also you upload. For NCC candidates they'll allot 5 marks like that. Okay, and next, the cutoff marks. The cutoff marks appearing in the written examination totally depend on the Navy department only, because it is different states having different merit. The merit list will be available in end of March 22nd. Okay, in the website www.joinindiannavy.gov.in. How to apply? Just you open the website joinindiannavy.gov.in. The application starts from 29th October 2021 to November 2nd 2021. They are giving only 4 to 5 days of time. So use this time, and starting the day onwards you have to apply for this, because later it maybe website are busy in schedule. Next, before the filling the online application, you have to ready with the metric certificate, that is 10th class certificate. You go to the website and there you have to log in first. If you are the new one, then you have to register first in the website. Then after registration you have to log in. Then you have to see the current opportunities. Then you can apply. And also for the photographs, good quality photograph with blue background. They are given condition that it must be a background with a blue background. So see this one, listen carefully. Your photograph, passport photograph must be a good quality photograph and backside with the blue background. This important information regarding the examination, same as previous points only. You should not carry any mobile phones, etc. Okay, so remind this, last date of online application is 2021. So this is the application of Indian Navy. Okay, so only unmarried male candidates are eligible for this. Use this opportunity. If anyone needed coaching, you can come to TNR Sainik Academy. Whatever the syllabus is there, total syllabus covered by the faculties, and physical fitness test also available here. We will cover this in the shortest period also. If anyone needs coaching, you can come and join in TNR Sainik Academy. If anyone having any doubts in the applications, you can comment on comment section. Thank you. All the best.